walking to meet my friends. We're gonna go on a search for a waterfall. So it should be pretty cool. Now I have to wait for my friends.
Or something, otherwise, I don't know.
It's so alive. Oh, that's so cool.
This isn't good.
Ew, it's so cold. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, I'm officially mobile. It's so cold. Okay, its mission is to get to the waterfall. Oh, I'm short. This sucks. Okay, so I did not make it to the waterfall. The water's so cold. Hello everyone watching. So you just saw our video going to the waterfall. I hope you liked it. And fun fact, it was my first time on the bus there, or on our way back. We had to walk there and it was like an hour and a half. But on the way back, we took the bus and it was like 40 cents or something crazy. Here's some shots. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.